Okay, y'all. It's hot as hell. No laptop. No Apple Watch. But I did find something else.
Today, I went to bin time.
Good morning! It is Saturday. It is 7:30 in the morning. And I got my watermelon here. I'm about to eat this. I just came back from the gym. And I'm going to QT to go heat up my breakfast, and then we are going to bin time because I really want the HP laptop that they have and the Apple Watch that they have. I'm really more so going for the laptop because I'm about to start school, but if I can get the Apple Watch, that'll be a plus.
Heating up my food in QT as promised, and I'm heading back to my car. Who the heck has the lights on in daytime? Oh, check this out, Money! And this is my breakfast: 2 eggs, some kale, and a piece of bread.
Come through, son. Look at my eye. We are 13 minutes away, meaning if I leave right now, we're gonna get there at 8 o'clock. So, let's go. Can I get a large sugar-free French vanilla iced coffee?
Okay.
And that'll be all.
Everything look correct?
Yes.
Give me 2 at 2. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I had to get some coffee, but I pulled up around 8:06, and look how many people are already there. Bin time opens at 10 o'clock. This was how far I was in line at 8:30. The last time I came, I was all the way in the back. Way back there by them trees. And there's McDonald's that I was just at. At this point, the sun was beating my back down, boy. I couldn't even handle it. But they gave us wristbands in case we had to leave. And this is us walking into bin time. And this is kind of a view of the chaos.
Okay, y'all. It's hot as hell. No laptop. No Apple Watch. But I did find something else pretty cool that I might end up using if it actually works. I found a body cam.
This is the box that it came in. If you see LPN, it means it's been used. So I was looking through and I saw that it was filled with footage. And I guess this guy just drives around. He was like a delivery driver of some sort. But yeah, so this is me recording on my iPhone with the camera attached, and I'm going to show you what the camera sees. So it's not great quality, but you know what? It was $7, so I ain't even, yeah. For $7, you ain't getting no complaints out of me. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments. ASMR. ASMR.